So I've rested the pastry. Here you can see the sides are cut. Okay, and I'm about to roll it at a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to roll it in this direction. Okay, so if I was rolling sideways on the table, for instance, I would be rolling it this way with the cut belly facing me. Okay, so I'd be going from left to right. Okay, you can see the layers there. The slice, cutting it before I chilled it down has eased the tension on the ends of the pastry. It makes it easier to hold a very nice square shape when you're laminating. So here we go. A bit of flour. So what's very important actually is that the pastry never sticks. So I have a very small coating of flour on the bottom. The pastry doesn't stick, and this is what helps you get nice even layers. So if you look as I roll it, the pastry is holding its shape. The ends are staying nice and straight. This time we're just going to give it a threefold. So a little bit of pressure down. Using the rolling pin, just bear down on the ends of the rolling pin with your shoulders. That gives you enough weight to get a nice push on the pastry. So I'm going to go up and down the length of the pastry now. So I'm pushing the pastry forward. So one little thing I'd like to see here, you can just see how by cutting the ends, the pastry remains really straight. Okay, so that when I fold my three, I have a nice straight edge. So here we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3 layers, all nice and straight. I'm going to rest that and put it back into the ice blankets for another 30 minutes to let it recover. And before I do that, I'm just going to take my blade again. I'm going to slice and rotate. I'm going to slice the bottom. Okay. Nice even layers.